Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to add social media to your Shopify footer. So to do that, it's actually pretty simple. It's not hard at all. You got to go to customize here. So I'm using a Dawn theme, but whatever theme you're using, it should pop up. So you just go to customize, and as you can see, it has footer here, add section, and it's not coming up social media for some reason. Go to here and see nothing is coming up. You can go add block and you can go social and nothing is coming up. There is a way around this. All you got to do is go to theme settings, and now you want to go to social media. I'm having trouble finding it, and right here I just click social media and see it has Facebook, it has Instagram, it has YouTube, it has TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Vimeo. So it has all the social medias that you need to put in if you want to. But all you got to do to actually add one of these is go to your YouTube, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add this one here and go back here and click paste. So now all I got to do is click save, and that is saved. And let's see if it actually works. So I'm going to go to exit here, and now I'm going to go to online store and I'm going to view it, and now I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, it has my YouTube. Now I click YouTube and it takes it to my YouTube. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.